You take a look at how markets did on the day, and well, they actually did pretty well. It was not a broad-based rally, but it was just enough here to get the S&P 500 and the NASDAQ to fresh record highs. Meanwhile, we did see a pullback, though, in the more cyclical space here. I guess you can call it the real economy, if you would. The Russell 2000, which rallied more than 1.6% yesterday, giving back about half of those gains here on the day. But two of the biggest moves that we saw across asset-wise, once again in the yield space, the fourth straight day where we've seen yields drop and drop meaningfully indeed. 4.24 right now on your two-year yield, 4.42 right now when you look at your at the two-year yield. Euro dollar, though, also a big move there here. Back on the back foot here, a lot of concerns about geopolitical risk and that snap election that Emmanuel Macron called.
All right, let's stay with the currency space in a way, in that Bitcoin is trading at a 3-week low. So that has dragged down a lot of those crypto names, starting with MicroStrategy, down about 7.5%. We've seen other crypto-related names like Coinbase lower as well. And of course, MicroStrategy in particular says it is selling $500 million in convertible notes in order to buy more Bitcoin. That has really become a core part of its corporate strategy. On the upside, Broadcom, ticker AVGO, climbing 12% on the day, the best performer in the S&P 500 and the NASDAQ 100. Investors cheering the chip suppliers beat and raise quarter, and also, of course, AI demand driving a lot of that. Don't forget as well, Broadcom announced a 10-for-1 stock split following in the footsteps of NVIDIA. Now, our top story this hour is Tesla, which is holding its annual shareholder meeting today. The stock rose in regular trading after Elon Musk said that shareholders voted by wide margins in favor of reapproving his $56 billion pay package from 2018. However, the vote is not legally binding and serves more as a referendum on Musk's leadership as the stock has slumped.